Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today we're going to talk about selling seedlings for money even when you have no idea what you're doing. Let's go! You guys, today I made my first $20 selling seedlings and I've never done this before. And it happened right here. This is literally how I sold my seedlings. Now I did put an ad on Facebook, I'll show you that in a minute. But I just put the flats out, which I got on Amazon, and I put them on the back of the Subaru here. And here's all my little plants in my little grow bags. And this lady had started a bunch of Yodfa broccoli and Piracicaba broccoli, and I guess it didn't grow very well. She also wasn't happy with her kale, so she was happy to come out. And she bought 10 plants from me at $2 a piece. And I think because they're Baker Creek seeds, that she was happy to pay the $2 for the plants. Admittedly, the plants she took looked more like this healthy specimen than this sad guy. But yay for her that she got what she wanted and I made a little bit of money. Let me show you how I did it. Quick check-in on some cute bunnies. So it's cold today. They love it. But it's also rainy, so they hate it. So if you recall, I mass planted tomatoes, and those are not ready to pot up. We'll look at those in a second. But when I went ahead and planted these brassicas for myself, I thought, oh, I'll go ahead and do this. And I planted them in those little bags. Let's go look. Remember these? I talked about them before. So they're just like a little mesh bag, a non-moving bag, and you put the soil in there, and you get like 100 of them for $8. When I originally started them, I put them in these little cups, just like I have here. These are for us. I wanted to keep them separate. And then here, of course, are the mass planted tomatoes I did. You can see they've come up really well. Thank you, Jess at Roots and Refuge. As it got warmer, I put them out here in their little bags on their little trays. And this is my little enclosed porch. You can see the work we did on this. I have another shelf to put out here and I have 10 more trays. So they hardened off out here and they've been out here for a while. I couldn't even post them for sale on Facebook Marketplace because I was in Facebook jail. So they actually were out here longer than I would have liked. They got to be about 12 inches tall. But this lady was thrilled to have them. I did get nervous because I thought they were going to outgrow their little grow bags, but they didn't. So note to you, like, you can leave these plants in those little grow bags for like 6 to 8 weeks. Look at these guys. I've never grown bok choy and I'm so excited about it. They look so healthy and nice. I've got so many of them. I just need to get out there and plant them. Oh, and tatsoi. Have you guys tried tatsoi? I've never tried it, but it kind of tastes like broccoli. It's definitely in Nebraska. Family, it like has this brassica like broccoli aftertaste, but it has like this crunch of kind of like lettuce. I don't know. It's so good. I'm so excited about it. I think it's even like a little spicy, it seems like. My dill needs to go into a different home, but it's not warm enough yet. Wait, just hold on a couple more weeks. We'll get you in something. Then, at the first possible chance, I went ahead and posted on Facebook. But like I said, I was in Facebook jail, so nobody could respond to that, and the post didn't actually go up. So I had to wait, and then when the lady contacted me and she said she was interested, I was like, oh, these plants are much larger than they were in the picture. Admittedly, even my pictures weren't that great, and so I have a lot to learn, and I'm, making it better. I think this was just kind of a trial for me to see how they did, and whether I got any traction. I've gotten 2 people that were interested in. I think that the post has only been up for like 3 days, so I'm doing pretty good. For 3 days, I've made $20, and I have a happy customer. I gave her my business card, referred her to my YouTube channel, asked her if she was interested in bunnies. I wasn't sure if she was homesteading, and she said she was absolutely interested in my tomatoes when they come ready in about a month. So yay, that's gonna be more money in the future. So all I'm saying is if you've got the lights and you've got the space and you've got the extra seeds, you should absolutely plant them out, especially if they're heirloom seeds that will get more money on the market. You stop harassing the cat. The cat doesn't want to be harassed. Hope that encourages you to branch out and do some things that you may not have considered doing. And if you like what you saw, you can subscribe right there. You can watch more gardening videos right there. I gotta go see the dog. What happened? Did Kitty get you? What's that, chips? Why'd you put chips on the ground? I'm sure you deserved it. Whatever Kitty did, you deserved it.